What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I want to talk about. I know it's tax season. I don't know if you have filed for your taxes or not, but you should be preparing for your taxes, and VIP Shop Management will help you do so. Just go to profit and loss, and if you're behind and you haven't done anything, like you can import your transactions from your bank account right here. And I mean, all you have to do is if I know for Chase and Capital One it works perfectly, but if you want to make sure that it works in with your bank, just make sure that you have this type of format. All you need is like, do you have this type where it says debit and credit, the date, description, and the amount, or you have the second one, which is basically date, description, debit, and credit. So it's separate. So whatever you have, like either or, VIP Shop Management will pick it up. The whole idea, obviously, we have some amazing features inside this one. You can, if you want to update, you can update the whole year to change the description for the whole year. You can delete for the whole year too, which is really cool. And you do have multiple accounts. What I like to do is I like to, if I have credit cards, I like to import those too, and keep everything transaction. In the end, there's two ways of preparing for taxes. I'm not saying file for taxes. You still need your accountant to file for taxes, but it's your job to prepare for taxes, meaning that your bank account, your business bank account, must match or at least close to whatever you're filing. And there's nothing better that in the end of the year, as a business owner or a manager, to go through whole the year to see where you spend money and all this stuff, where the money is going. If you're collecting, $1 million or $5 million, the more you collect money, I've noticed something about revenue. When the revenue goes up, there's so many wasted expenses, and it's the best time to track it. Well, I like preparing for taxes, and then that way I can see where the money went, and then you can sit with your accountant. She can double check and everything else, but it's good for you to prepare for your taxes. There's a lot of features right now in this VIP Shop Management. It's simplified right now. If you look up top, you can switch between monthly and yearly just by clicking. It's really simple right here. Another thing right here, remember we had summary, basically the summary. Let's pick an account real quick here. Let's look at Capital One. Let's get some more data here. All right, so if you have a lot of data like this, right? Well, I want to summarize this. I can't just continue now. Well, first of all, we added the feature to you can click the monthly, see the whole month, or click full year, see all the transaction for the whole year. It's by default, it's basically sorts by description, so alphabetic. But if you want to make it sort by date, just click on date right here, and it will sort everything by date from January 1st all the way to, in this case, September. And if you want to see the summary, well, what is the summary basically? Let's say I want to, see how much I spend on meals, right? Just meals. Just click on summary right here, and it gives you meals right there. That's what the beauty of that. Can you print this? Of course, just go print preview. So, I mean, the whole idea of it is the features that we added right now to it. First of all, it's simplified between monthly and full year, and you still have summary. You can do summary by category, right? This, so it shows you, like, if you have like which is the IRS category, like you can have way more than that. Obviously, it's just a sample right now. Um, Switch back. You can delete the whole year right now. Be careful though when you delete the whole year. I mean, remember you gotta redo this stuff. So don't delete the year until you want to delete the year. By the way, once you set it to payment by date, it stays this way until you switch it back and say, no, I just want it by alphabetic. They're both important because sometimes when you click on summary right here, you do want to see like things by like grouped together. So. And like I said, when you click on full year, you do have the option. It's going to give you a warning right here. You sure you want to delete the old transaction for 2025? So I use it for filing for my taxes. I don't file for my taxes. Like I said, I prepare everything. I get to review the whole year. I get to see where the money is going. Some of it are wasted here and there. I definitely encourage every business owner or every shop or every manager, if the business owner is not around and the manager who's doing this, to go over every transaction. And like, you know, you can click on the full year right now, see all transactions, group them together, and see where's the money going. In the end, you can make millions and you can be still broke. I've seen shops sell over $1 million and $2 million, and the owner's still not making money. Why? Because he doesn't see this stuff. Most of the time, they basically they rely on their accountant. The accountant does his job. I'm not saying, but it's your job as a shop owner to see where's the money going. Where is the money going? So, anyway, until next time, I hope you enjoy it. It's already ready for. It's already deployed. Just click on check for updates up top. Help check for updates, and you should be all set. Until next time, thanks for watching.